Hey there coders, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to build a classic game, rock paper scissors in Python. This is a great project for beginners and it will help you understand user input, random choice function and basic control flow. Let's dive right in. So let's start by importing the choice function from the random module. The choice function is used to select a random element from a non-empty sequence. So let's also create a list containing the possible choices for the game, which are rock, paper and scissor. And let's create two variables. First is user score equal to 0, and also computer score. So these variables are created to keep track of the scores. And let's also create a boolean variable to control the while loop for continuous play. And let's create a while loop while running. So this loop will continue to run until running is set to false. And user equal to input. So the user is prompted to enter the choice. Input, choose rock, paper or scissor. There we go. And the computer choice is randomly selected from options list. So computer equal to choice function will pass option list here. So let's print user's choice, f string u and user, and let's also print computer's choice, computer chose and computer, like that. And let's validate the user's choice. And wait, I forgot to convert this lowercase, like that. And so if the user's input is not in the option list, an error message is displayed and the loop restarts. So print please choose a valid option, and let's check for a tie. Else if user equal to computer, so if both the user and the computer make the same choice, it results in a tie. So print it's a tie. And yeah, here we go. And let's handle the rock choice by the user. So else if user equals to rock, and I'll use match case statement here, match computer. I hope you know about match case statements. So if the user chooses rock and if the computer chooses paper, the computer wins and its score is incremented. So let's print computer 1 and let's increase computer score by 1, computer score plus or equals to 1. And what if the computer chooses scissor? So if the computer chooses scissor, the user wins and their score is incremented. Print u 1 and let's increase user score plus or equals to 1. And yeah, there we go. Let's also handle the paper choice by the user. So else if user equals to paper. So now let's also use match case statement. You can use nested if statements also. And match case computer case scissor. So if the user chooses paper, then and if the computer chooses scissor, the computer wins and its score is incremented. And let's also handle this case. If the computer chooses paper, and the user wins and their score is incremented. And I forgot to increase computer score, and here let's print you won, and user score plus or equals to 1, and yeah, there we go. So let's also handle the Scissor choice by the user, else match computer, and case rock. So if the computer chooses rock and the user chooses scissor, so the computer wins and computer score is incremented. So let's print computer win 1, and let's computer score plus or equals to 1, and yeah, there we go. So let's also handle the case of paper. So if the user chooses scissor and if the computer chooses paper, the user wins and their score is incremented. So print u1, and let's increase user score plus or equals to 1, and yeah, and what we need to do now is to ask if the user wants to play again. So if input wanna play again, so y for yes and n for no. I'll convert this to lowercase and equals to n, so it returns a boolean. So the user is asked if they want to play again. So if the input is n, the final scores are displayed, and let's print it. String user score equal to user score, and let's also print computer score, computer score, and we also need to set the value of running to false to end the loop, running equal to false, and yeah, we are almost done, and let's end the game. So print thanks for playing. A thank you message is printed after the loop ends, and I noticed something, which is this needs to be rock, not paper. Sorry for that. And let's test this and choose rock paper or scissor, and I'll choose rock. Yeah, I won. Paper this time, and yeah, I won again. Scissor this time. It's a tie, obviously, and this time I'll enter rock. It's tie again, and yeah. So this code implements a simple rock paper scissor game where the user plays against the computer. The game continues in a loop until the user decides to stop playing, and each round the users and computer's choices are compared to determine the winner, and scores are updated accordingly. So the game handles invalid inputs, ties, and correctly tracks scores throughout the gameplay. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding videos. Let me know in the comments what other projects you would like to see next, and thanks for watching and happy coding.